Facebook content monetization and $1 extra bonus update tayo today. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin. So Sunday, May 24, 11:55 AM Manila time, okay? Nakikita nyo ngayon sa professional dashboard natin sa insights on the earnings tab. Kaninang umaga guys, nag-voice over tayo. Yung earnings natin kanina around 7 AM was $6.10, pero nakikita natin nadagdagan tayo ng a few dollars more, okay? Makikita natin dito as $6.29. So, this is a proof na patuloy na nag-earn yung ating Facebook page, okay? And makikita natin dito meron na tayong umangat na yung earnings natin sa Facebook Reels to $1.27, while yung extra bonus natin $5 na yung na-accumulate natin in the past 90 days, okay? Now, speaking about extra bonus, ito yung highlight natin for this video. Makikita natin dito, binigyan na naman tayo ng pagkakataon ni Facebook Meta para makapag-earn ng another $1 extra bonus, okay?